The Redmi Note 16 Pro 5G is shaping up to be a strong contender in the mid-range market, with expectations pointing toward a launch in early 2026, most likely during the first quarter of the year. The device is rumored to feature a large 6.85-inch AMOLED display with HDR10 Plus support, offering vibrant colors and smooth visuals ideal for streaming and gaming. Performance is expected to be powered by a capable 5G-enabled mid-range processor, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and as much as 1 terabyte of internal storage, ensuring fast multitasking and plenty of space for apps and files. Photography could be a major highlight thanks to a 200MP main camera designed to deliver sharp, detailed images across different lighting conditions. The phone is also expected to pack a large 6,800 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, providing excellent endurance with quick recharging. Overall, the Redmi Note 16 Pro 5G looks set to offer an attractive mix of performance, display quality, camera power, and battery life at a competitive price point.